Jet2 passengers on a flight from Turkey to Manchester cheered after a violent passenger was let off the flight, which had to be diverted to Vienna. A female passenger on the flight from Manchester to Antalya became unruly around halfway through the scheduled 4.5-hour flight on Monday. The passenger was aggressive towards staff over babies crying on the flight and even slapped other passengers, a witness said. One passenger on board the plane told the Manchester Evening News that a female passenger became disruptive about an hour and 20 minutes into the flight. There was lots of noise, the passenger, who asked not to be identified, said. Then she came to the front of the plane. She was really angry towards Jet2 staff and wouldn't calm down. Her voice was getting louder and more aggressive, she was shouting in people's faces. People were saying she was kicking off at the airport before she even got on the plane. Then some people said it was over babies crying on the flight. A customer said something and she slapped him in the face. Then a man got up to try and calm the situation before taking her to the back of the plane. The passenger said that staff then made the decision to divert the flight to Vienna. As the plane landed, the woman was said to have slapped another passenger as she was getting off. This is the first time we have had to land because of someone on a flight, the passenger added. Jet2 staff handled the whole situation very well. Nobody could help the out-of-control woman once she slapped the passenger. Jet2 sent a text message to passengers on board the flight just before 12 p.m., apologizing for the incident. The message said, "Hello, we are sorry that due to the disruptive behavior of a fellow passenger, your flight has been diverted to Vienna. We are working on a situation to get you on your way as soon as possible." The flight left Vienna at 1 p.m. before arriving at Antalya just after 3 p.m., 1 hour and 15 minutes later than scheduled. Manchester Airport declined to comment on the situation, saying it was a matter for the airline to comment on. In a statement, Jet2 confirmed the incident. The flight operator also confirmed that the flight successfully continued on to Antalya once the passenger had been offloaded. A Jet2 spokesperson told the MEN, "We can confirm that flight LS 895 from Manchester to Antalya diverted to Vienna earlier today so that a disruptive passenger could be offloaded." As a family-friendly airline, we take a zero-tolerance approach to disruptive behavior.